second time on the stage. I was here last year, and the amount of... This was a start for me. This place, Mind Builders, was my start to poetry. It took me many places, and I'm here again this year to share another poem with you guys. This poem is called True Calling. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I thought my biggest fears was heights, dogs, or even tripping in front of many people. It turns out that's completely not true. It turns out that's completely not true. My biggest fear is me. You see, it wasn't always like that. So life took me by my hand and showed me the first chapter of your life won't be so easy. Took me by my wrist and said, you will feel pain, may stay up all night, even cry yourself to sleep in chapter 2. Took me by my forearm and yelled, you're going to have thoughts that haunt you, telling you what you can and can't do. So I shrink, hid myself, even hurt my temple. It's hard to know you have this undying spark deep within you. Getting so lost in how to use it. For years I kept trying to become a water sign. Stay calm, have grace, be gentle always. But there's a lion in me that I cage so others won't feel threatened. It took me years to figure this out. Learn from my mistakes. Don't wait to look yourself in the mirror and ask, who am I? Promise yourself, you will not shrink for no one. Be who you're not for anything or anyone. And most importantly, sacrifice your freedom and put chains around your voice. That is the key. Now use it. The most important thing you can do for self is remind every part of you who you are and want to become. I am born to be fire. My flames may hurt and burn things, but I am not perfect. I'm learning how to use my fire. Can y'all do me a favor real quick? After every I am, just snap at me. That easy. And once I reach to who are you, I want you to scream, embrace who you are. Let people around you know who you are. And most importantly, let yourself know who you are. I am light. I am warmth. I am protection. I am creation. I am drive. I am passion. I am rebirth. And I am life. Who are you? Who are you? Say who you are. Yes. Woo! I have a picture for you guys also to represent my growth.
Yes, good. Let's hear it for Aura, y'all. Let's go. Let's give a round of applause for Aura. Great job. Thank you very much. Yes, ma'am.
I would like to say thank you to my family, my mom, my brother. His amazing friends that I also call brothers. Lexi, thank you. Tony, thank you. Mommy, thank you. Aiden, thank you. Anika, thank you. Everyone, just thank you. Thank you to my team for coming here and supporting me. Thank you for listening.